Hello everyone. Just picked up this little steam engine. This is a Wilesco D8, I believe it is. Cleaned it up a little bit, but everything seems to be going pretty good. Got a little leak around the, where are we? Safety, so I think I might need to do some cleaning on that. But anyway, not too bad, considering who knows how long ago this thing was last run. See the fire in there? I just run the Coleman fuel tablets, those guys. They're not Coleman, the hang on, those guys. Not too bad. Another one to add to my little model collection. Kind of like the older ones where they actually had the steam coming out the stack, but could maybe rig something up. But it's good enough. I have to do a video one day and get all my little steam engines fired up just for something to do. Alright, just going to have a short one here, so talk to you in the next one.